party. McFly is Marty, back to the future, too fast to be tardy. My lady fly is Barbie, straight vixen, never tripping on my addiction. Now we picking up steam, yeah, got the lights on green, and we change gears for the scene, cause SOH is the team, and I'm reaching top speed, throwing hooks like I'm Creed. Never late to the party, better watch me cause I'm always on time.
Won't waste a minute, no, I'll leave you behind. Oh, better keep up with me, babe. Keep up with me, babe.
Yeah, I'm on time, don't miss a beat. If she roll with me, she a 10 at least. Cream of the crop, top quality. Not your team or cop could try stopping me. Says I lays it down properly. You and your crew, get off my property. I own everything, I'm on everything. Highs on that top spot, no settling. Married to the game, no wedding ring. Flipping through this paper, call it magazine. More problems, that's really what all of this brings. Well, I'm ready for a champ, put me in the ring. I'm always on time, get the job done, I made the deadline. Hey, I'm always gonna shine, just like the sun, I shades on my grind.
24 karat skate wheels, diamonds on deck. Respect the wordplay, heard me say I flip it fresh. Coming in with a fireflower power glove dial. Let's turn it up and get wild till we're reaching top speed. Malachi in the lead, never late to the party. Better watch me cause I'm always on time.
Won't waste a minute, no, I'll leave you behind. Oh, better keep up with me, babe. Keep up with me, babe. Oh, keep up with me. Keep up forever. Keep up with me. Keep up forever
Alright, so here we have in person Frankie Zapata. He is the man, the myth, the legend. He is the one that we did the flyboard video with, the hoverboard video with, and now the fly ride and the flyboard air.
Yeah.
Okay, so the real deal, based in France, but his products are all over the place. We did this as a passion project, so there's no money exchange. I just think what Frankie does is absolutely incredible. So we were filming in Moab, Las Vegas, kind of all over the place, but definitely check out Frankie, his team, and what they're doing. This would not have happened without them coming to America and filming this out on location. So there you have it. Thank you so much, Frankie, and there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Over and out.
Thank you.